Breathe in for love, breathe in so deep. This air is blessed, you share with me. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you guys how to play a few different strumming patterns. Alright, I've gotten some requests to do that, so I want to show you guys 4 different strumming patterns that will be very beneficial for you. One of them, you've probably seen it, like most of the songs I play and are on the radio and stuff, most country songs, are this one strumming pattern. I'm going to show you 4 different ones though, okay? But I was going to show you the most popular one at the end, all right? So it's not the one I just started with. So let's get into it real quick. Please hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and if you have other song requests or if you want to learn like picking stuff and things like that, just let me know, okay? So I'm going to show you a couple different strumming patterns that are different, that are really easy, all right, for beginners. So the biggest one I'll save for the end, but I want to show you a couple of them right here. So one of them that I was just doing, and this is very common, all right, so I was palm muting it, all right? So palm muting is when you put this part of your hand, you put it as close as you can to that white part right there, not on it, but like right in front of it, and then you're gonna hit mainly the bass notes. Okay, so I was doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's a very common one as you do, and you can do it at any speed. All of these go at any speed, but you're gonna do down, so you do like a down one, and you do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down. Okay, so you do this in a lot of songs, a lot of the different the tutorials I've done. You just going to do that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you just do like a hesitation after the first one. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. After that down, you wait a split second before you go into it. Down, down, up. Now you can palm mute that, and you'll get to the point too, depending on your skill level, where you can really palm mute it and make it sound great. So for this song, hands down, you're doing. So you're doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you can do it at any speed. All right. So that's one of them. Now another one that, and you guys will probably recognize this song pretty quick. All right, but you're gonna do. All right. All right. So you're just gonna do that. That's Better Together by Jack Johnson. So you're just doing down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute. So it's very simple, all right? Down, up, down, mute. Okay, now anytime you can throw mutes in, it makes you seem like an even better guitarist. I remember when I was in college and I would play guitar for girls I was dating and stuff, just for fun. Like some of them would be like, oh, play the song where you like hit it. They just thought it sounded so cool, and I love the way it sounds too. So anytime you do that smack, so you just do down, up, down, mute, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute. Okay? Down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute. That's it. Okay? So then, but for that song, you're moving it around. Down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute. Okay? So that's how. That's the second one for you, right? Just that down, up, down, mute. All right. Now another one for you is so this song will sound familiar too. All right. So it's just so it's. I used to chase that Chattanooga freight. Okay. So you're just doing down, mute. Okay. Then you go down, mute, down, mute, down, mute, down, mute. Down, mute, 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 down, mute. We used to chase that Chattanooga freight, couple of kids in a Chevrolet, catch a little air when we cross the tracks, sipping on some from a paper sack. And so that one's great too, because if you're just doing down, mute, down. You can also, so later in the song, he just does chasing you like a shot of whiskey. So he's doing down, mute, 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 down, mute. So those mutes are great, okay? Now this last one right here, so I've shown you 3 so far. This last one, you can play with like so many songs. I mean, I feel like so much of the time when I'm making videos on how to play different songs, this one is done in the song. So you guys will probably recognize it, but I'm going to show you a couple of them. Okay, so it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So it's just doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, that down, down, up. So I'm going to show you several different songs right now. You can even see that you play it with. So you do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. Down, up. So that beginning of the song, you know, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so that it's so easy if you play that one. Another Green Day song. I did a tutorial on this one just the other day, but is the same thing. It's just a little bit slower. Okay, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so that's another one. All right, there's so many songs that you can use that one for. That you do use that one for. So another one, you know, Cruise by Florida Georgia Line, I believe, has that one. Just so many different songs. Okay, so that's the 4 different ones I was talking about. I can show you some more stuff with palm muting or picking and things like that if you want. But let me know if you guys want to learn any of that. Okay. If you have any other specific things you want to learn, okay? Because I'm more than happy to teach you. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Anyway, so those are a few of the different strumming patterns. Let me know. That was just a preview of some picking and stuff you can do if you want. Let me know in the comments though what you want to see next. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.